No, 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 no. Come on, come on.
Medicine says cherry flavor, but I'm tasting betrayal. Me at the hairdresser making sure she doesn't cut my hair too short.
Extraordinarily good dog. It's using the sandbags I have to fit. It's good. When I take my small sandbag, and I always care about the position back here, it's mainly just keeping it out of state. So consequently, this is our ventral dorsal view of the thorax stage.
Heart says run, or say shaking in fear.
ไม่อยากดื้ออะ
My Chihuahua's motto, I don't need a cone, I need a stylist. Shots? Medicines? Sorry, I'm busy avoiding them.
Nope.
Pulling a rock from the ground or convincing a dog. Same energy, guys.
¿Qué tal, doctora? ¿Cómo está?
The moment you hear vet and suddenly remember you're booked solid for the next year.
Mire, para comentarle que el día viernes fui a...
Is she teaching Doggo the Macarena? Nope, just the vet walk.
Proceder a agarrar una gasa, tiene que ser estéril.
If being stubborn was a sport, he'd win gold. Drag him all you want.
The door is... Mars. Mars. Come here, big boy.
Me giving my pup 37 kisses before this checkup.
Mira, aquí está un bebé.
The face you make when the emotional damage is too much. Send treats, please. When you try to cosplay as a space alien, but no one gets it. My dog's auditioned for the role of a sad puppy in a commercial. This dog is me leaving the office and heading to freedom. When your dog is a natural at being a waterfall.
Number 44. Woo! 44, that's me!
Is this the cutest patient you've ever seen? I mean, just look at those eyes. She's adorable. I think I might prescribe more cuddles. How to tell the vet staff are Doggo's favorite people. Adrenaline, 100%. Awareness of the situation, 0%. It turns out that snuggling is an essential part of the procedure, guys. Sir, can I have some premium food? I'm a brave boy today. Forget the weather forecast. Check the Husky's grooming schedule for snow updates. Look how well behaved he is. Somebody give him a title, please. You can't call it a perfect clinic visit without this. When your vet appointment is actually a spa day. Hooray! Me trying to avoid my responsibilities. Again? Giving your pup their checkup like it's a royal ceremony. My face when besties cancel our date at the last minute. I'm sure the clinic has a hidden ice rink. Just look at how many dogs walk after the visit.
Moxie, we're at the vet. I know we're at the vet, but you're not going to the vet. Moxie, you're not going to the vet. Scarlett is going. Moxie, you're not going.
So I've just arrived at the vet.
I don't think it's a good idea to go there, human. Introducing the new hottest trend in dog music, Heartbeats of a Chihuahua. I'm not hiding, I'm just practicing my disappearing act. How I imagine Snow White must feel sleeping on the dwarf's bed. The reason why being a vet is the best job in the world. These vet visits never get old, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more funny dog moments. See you around!